Hello and welcome to this Myop tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to create your first project. From the Projects page on the Myop dashboard, click the New Project button. Here, a window will pop up where you will enter your project name. If you wish to use hashtags, you can enter those here. Hashtags allow you to search, sort, and filter projects. For example, if you are an engineer, you could enter your project number or drawing number here. Next, if this is a project for a client or customer, select the client from the client list. If this is an internal project, such as office maintenance, you would not select a client. Finally, you can make the project private. Private projects are only visible to team members who you have shared them with. If you do not make a project private, every member of your team will be able to see the project on their dashboard. Once you have all the project settings entered, click the Create Project button. Congratulations! You have successfully created your first project. You can now create your project schedule, set project tasks, create checklists, and track your time against that project. That concludes this tutorial. If you require further assistance, please visit our help center at www.usemyop.com. Thanks for watching.